Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to edit our PowerPoint slides within NotebookLM, or basically turn our NotebookLM into a PowerPoint slide editor that we can quickly edit our PowerPoint and even export it in .pptx. So let's start by using one of my slides. Let's say I have a slide in this Hoover Dam teacher student learning packet, and I have the slides in here. Let's go ahead and check it. So we have this timing the Colorado. This is a PowerPoint slide that I have generated from some sources that I have in here. You can see the slides. Now, one of the best part of this NotebookLM feature that they have rolled out is the fact that you can now select a particular slide and you can go straight to revise over here, or you can do it from the other angle as well. You can select it and then you can come down to these three dots, come to revise in here. Okay, so it's two ways. So in each of the slides that you are on, you can be able to give in this revision that you want for that slide, whether you want it to remove an image or to add an image, or to simplify a text, reduce a text, or even make it sharper or make it more convenient. You can do everything from here, and it goes across the slide. So for example, let's say I want to replace this. So for example, I have this correction on this. One thing to note is that when you come down here, you'll be able to see that I have one pending changes that I have already added to this first slide, and then I can go to maybe the fourth slide and you can add some changes as well. Okay, so you can see now I have two pending changes to my slides, and what you should notice is that the two slides that I have added to, you can see them, you can identify them easily by the color they have. Okay, so you can do as many as you want over here as well. I can say, all right, so let's say I have 3 pending changes, and when you click on this arrow, you should be able to see which of the changes are effective. Like over here, you have slide 1 and its changes, slide 2 and slide 5 and slide 9. You can decide to clear all the changes if you're interested in clearing all the changes, or you can click to actually go to that slide and directly look at what changes you have likely given it to. Now, once you're okay with all the changes, all you need is to come over here and click on generate a new deck, and this is now going to go through and give you a fresh slide with the updated features or updated information that you have asked, or the revisions that you've asked it to add. It's just going to automatically add to the document. So let's just give this some seconds and then take a look at what it has generated for us, and we're going to do it side by side. All right, and right now it has finished, so let's try to take a look at it too. So on this one, let me put the old one, and on this one, let me put the new one. And as you can see, all of our edits have been effected. Like the first slide, I said we should replace this with the Hoover Dam, and it has just done that. Okay, and then I think the next one is slide 5 or thereabout, where I said it should replace this text or remove it. Let's go to slide 5, and you can see it has removed this text, which is what I asked it to do. And then I think which of the slide again. So basically, you have seen it. You have seen the wonders of what it has done for us. The changes are quite clear. Let's look at this slide. Also, I said you should replace this one with something engineering, and let's see whether it has actually done that. And as you can see, it has actually replaced the RAM with something engineering. So which means you can as well go ahead and you can rename the slides, and if you're okay with everything, you can go ahead and come to share and download it. You can click on this, you can download it in PPTX or in PDF, however you want it. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the NotebookLM as a very good editor to your PowerPoint slide. You can revise your PowerPoint slide. You can have effective changes directly in here without you even going out of the NotebookLM platform. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.